full team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din ng mga kalaban na parang na modus. Ito ay nalang dikdikan to, coast to coast. Kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, liga, liga,
Come
liga.
and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin', determinado sa laro, we can never fallen. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako, kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, D-Wade ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo, antikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli, lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira tres, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli, silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, huwag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet Dilig.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw, sintaas ng bola pag ginagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid, baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay, babaan lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malapro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na lang mga kalaban. Na parang na modus ay ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, liga, liga,
Come
liga.
and bounce the ball, likat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na nga'y street ballin', determinado sa laro, we can never fallen. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako, kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulok pa si Steve Nash, di wait ang speed flash, cash out na ang mga boy.
Welcome back to the ball game. Magandang umaga muli mga ka-Velvet. We are now starting with our third game for today. 14 under division. YMCA San Pablo laban sa SCBA FNTS for third game of the day. First shot is good for Gapasan. Second shot no good. Mapapabalik kay Gapasan ang bola. We have another foul. Foul on jersey number 27, Hitoses. That's his first personal foul and second team foul para sa kupunan ng SCBA. First shot in and out for Gallevo. Second shot no good. Gallivo and offensive rebound. Nawawala-wala ang bola. SCBA ball. Out of bounds. Bola mapapabalik sa kupunan ng YMCA. Two points by Gallivo. Another error mula sa kupunan ng SCBA from Milo this time. Mapapabalik sa YMCA ang bola. Gapasan for 2, sorry. Traveling violation on the side of SCBA, this time from GC number 5. Belen, another error. That's causing them points para dito sa matchup laban sa YMCA. Here comes Pasco. 2 points. With that 7-0 run, but SCBA will be forced to call a timeout.
Lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dinig Basketball, illegal. Velvet Dinig Basketball, illegal. Velvet Dinig Basketball, illegal.
Another error on the side of SCBA, 8-second violation. Here comes Gapasan, nakalusot. 9-0 ang score sa ating talaan in favor of YMCA. Another turnover mula sa SCBA. Here comes jersey number 12. Traveling violation. Committee timeout. Technical shot no good for YMCA. 18 seconds on the shot clock para sa koponan ng YMCA, and there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 22, Malaluan. First personal foul and warning for penalty. Maagang warning for penalty to para sa koponan ng SCBA. Foul again in jersey number 22, Malaluan. Second personal foul and they're on the penalty. First shot is good for Dantic. 2 for 2 for Dantic. Backcourt violation against Belen. And the errors and turnovers of SCBA is really causing them points. Gapasan, nakalusot na naman. Score on the line is 13-0. Big 13-point lead by YMCA against SCBA. This time, he tosses, spins, no good. Gapasan to jersey number 10. Gordo recovers the ball. 10 seconds to shoot para kay Gordo. Turnover from YMCA. Let's see if mako-convert ito ng batang SCBA into points, but there's a steal by Dantic. Gives the ball to Gapasan. Back to Dantic. To Pasco, to Gapasan. But there's a 3-second violation by YMCA. Substitution at the side of YMCA. Hitosi is on the move. But there's a steal by Dantic. Gapasan to Pasco. Gapasan, nakalusot na naman. Another 2-point by GC number 3, Carl Gapasan. We have a foul on GC number 31, Reyes, for his first personal and first team foul. Milo 2. Belen, out of bounds. Bola pa rin ng SCBA. And Coach Ian will deploy a new set of players for the remainder of the first quarter. While they're still enjoying a 15-point lead, there's Belen. No good. Last touch by YMCA. Tapi ka ng bola, napunta sa YMCA. Here comes jersey number 22. But there's an error there. Turnover by YMCA, courtesy of Beritan. Another steal. Beritan bumawi. No good. 2 points by jersey number 2, Estiva. Another turnover on the side of SCBA. That's why their coaching staff will be forced to deploy a new set of 5 players inside the court. SCBA will deploy jersey number 6, Calanog Fajardo. Jersey number 26. Aguilar, jersey number 3, Adona. And jersey number 2, Hernandez on the court. Para subukang makabawi against a 17-0 run by YMCA. But Marco, naagawan ng bola, Beritan is fouled. Foul on jersey number 6. Yung number 6. Kalano po kasi nakalagay dito. Marco po yun. Number 6. Coach D, teka lang, Jainer. Wala sa gallery yung Marco. Ina-clarify lang yung Marco. Middle name ang gamit niya. Middle name ang nasa jersey. Middle name ang nasa jersey, coach. Marco ba middle name? Adona to Marco with 10 seconds to shoot. Another steal on the side of YMCA and foul on jersey number 8 Fajardo. That's his first personal foul on penalty. It's still a 17-0 score sa ating talaan with 3 minutes and 47 seconds remaining time for our first quarter. SCBA really suffering mula dun sa mga turnovers during that first half of the first quarter, leading YMCA to a 17-point lead, 17-0 score during this first quarter. Beritan finds jersey number 14, Golmatico, to jersey number 31, no good. Nag-agawan ng magkakampi on the side of SCBA. Adona lost the ball. Here comes jersey number 2 to jersey number 22, Beritan gets the basket with a foul. Foul on jersey number 08, Fajardo. That's his second personal foul. And a penalty on the side of SCBA. Bonus shot no good. Dito ay Beritan. That's a good ball. Ball will remain on the side of YMCA. Beritan gets another basket. Aguilar. A miscue on the side of SCBA, forcing another turnover on their end. Beritan fires a 3, that's too strong. May mapipituhan dito on the side of YMCA. That's jersey number 31, Reyes. Reyes first personal foul and second team foul. And Coach Ian will call for a timeout.
Bola kapag hindi mo na kaya, buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni Coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din ng mga kalaban na parang na modo sa ito ay nalandikdikan to. Coast to coast kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magtutoast.
Out of bounds, turnover on the side of YMCA. Here comes Marco. Doon too strong ang pasa doon ni Marco kaya Adona forcing another turnover on the side of SCBA. Here comes Beritan. Marco finally delivering a point on the side of SCBA. 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining para sa ating first quarter. Adona to Hernandez. Hernandez fires. That's too strong. Oh. Have jersey number 26 as well. Napatama ang mukha. Beritan on the ladder. Gives the ball to jersey number 2. To Gulmatico. Gulmatico nakalusot. Aguilar to Marco. Marco with a good save. Adona. With 10 seconds. Steal by Gulmatico. Beritan on a fast break. Yes, sir. Aguilar with the 2 points. 5 seconds. And that's it for first quarter. YMCA enjoying a big
puso at isip, handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet D-League.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League, basketball, liga.
And we are back to the ball game. Second quarter matchup against YMCA and SCBA. After that first quarter, YMCA was able to secure a big 21-point lead against sa koponan ng SCBA. As you can see, the main problem after that first quarter was the turnovers of SCBA. Let's see how SCBA will recover from that devastating first quarter, leading to a 21-point lead by YMCA after the first quarter. Speaking of lead, 23-point lead na ang tinatamasa ngayon ng YMCA. Donato Aguilar. With 5 seconds to shoot for Adona. And we have a foul. Foul on jersey number 9, Punsalan, for second personal and for second team foul. Nine seconds on the shot clock para dito sa koponan ng SCBA. Five seconds to shoot. That is a good ball. Jersey number 10 on the move. Yes, sir. For Gordo. Eight-second violation. A good defense on the side of YMCA, forcing a 25-point lead. On the side of YMCA, Coach Ian will now be deploying. YMCA changes their players again. Nag-deploy ulit ng bagong lima dito si Coach Ian. Baka hindi yung updated na print ko, Coach. Sa 14 under natin.
14 under. Pasensya ka na ha, kasi alam mo naman tayo. Ayan, check mo yan, akin. Kung akin yan, yan yun. Sinend mo yan.
Okay na na siguro.
Hindi, papasok. Ano, meron yun. Yung jig, yung kabin mo. Jig! Naka-line up yan, yan yun.
Yes, Coach. Ano, Nina, pasulat na lang.
Pasensya na, ginabol ko kasi yan. Ano na lang yun.
Here comes SCBA. Gavino fakes to jersey number 26, Aguilar fires a break three, no good. To jersey number 23, Bitong finally ending that run of YMCA. Jersey number 50 to jersey number 66. Balilo, 2 points. It tosses out of bounds. We have a steal by SCBA Gavino. 223 but his block. Ditong ibinigay kay Gavino. 10 seconds. Delfino fires a 3. In and out. Rebound by jersey number 4, Magsino. To jersey number 50. No good. Offensive rebound napunta pa rin kay jersey number 50. Magsino. 5 seconds to shoot. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation on the side of YMCA. And SCB FNTS will be forced to call a timeout. After that, a run by YMCA. 33-6 in favor of YMCA.
Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing. Na di ka pwede dapat na mali.
And we are back to the ball game after that timeout by SCBA. Nice nga pala natin batiin ang isa sa star players ng Barangay San Gabriel, Dennis Idlacan, who's with us right now. We have a steal. Matatawagan nito ang traveling violation, GC number 50, Ale Magno. Another steal by YMCA. And steal also by SCBA. Aguilar on the leather. Aguilar tries a 3, no good. Rebound goes to jersey number 29, Sampiano. Another turnover on the side of YMCA. We can see turnovers after turnovers mula sa magkabilang kupunan. Approaching this 5-minute mark for a second quarter. Forcing both sides to redeploy players. But we have a steal by jersey number 50, but no good. Hitosis on the rebound. Gives the ball to Belen. Hitosis. Hitosis is blocked. Out of bounds. Rio. Out of bounds. Bola mananatili sa kupunan ng YMCA. With 12 seconds on the shot clock. Jersey number 29 fires, no good. Recovered by jersey number 24. It's a jump ball, same ball with 10 seconds to shoot. That's too strong for jersey number 16. May matatawagan dito ng foul. Foul on jersey number 5, Belen. That's his second personal foul and second team foul on the side of SCBA. On the free throw line, we have GC number 29, Sampiano. Second shot is good for Sampiano. They're now enjoying a big 30-point lead. Para sa kapunan ng YMCA. Natapakan dito. Hernandez to Adona. To Belen with 5 seconds to shoot. Belen, that's short. Jersey number 16 on a fast break. Too strong. Mapapapunta ang bola sa SCBA. Hernandez na walang bola. Here comes Pasco. Pasco gets the basket. May kasama pang foul. Foul on jersey number 5. Belen, that's his third personal and 13 foul on the side of SCBA. Bonus shot para dito kay jersey number 16, Anthony Pasco. Pasco on the leather. Gives the ball to jersey number 24, Rolian. Rolian. No good. Offensive rebound. 5 seconds to shoot. Good ball. But wasn't able to convert that shot into point. Belen dumidire-diretso. But Belen is fouled. Foul on jersey number 50. Ali Magno. First personal foul for Ali Magno and 13 foul on the side of YMCA. Belen first shot is a miss. Second shot is good for Mr. Belen. Two points for Sampiano. A big 3 points by GC number 5, Belen. Ali Magno is fouled. Foul on GC number 5, Belen. Belen, that's his 4th personal foul. Belen already on his 4th personal foul. And remember, this is just the second quarter. Another 24-second shot clock violation on the side of YMCA. SCBA will be forced to replace Belen. Dahil 4 na siya dito. Ang aga pa for him to get a 4th personal foul. What a defense dito sa kapunan na YMCA, forcing an 8-second violation on the side of SCBA. Adona gets that basket with a foul. Foul on GC number 19. Kagikla, first personal foul and warning for penalty on the side of YMCA. Delivering that bonus shot is Adona. Hidoses finds Gavino. 55 seconds. Traveling violation. ...50 seconds ang nalalabi para sa ating second quarter. Miscom on the side of YMCA. We can see na marami na rin turnovers dito ang kupunan ng YMCA for second quarter. But on the side of SCBA, they are not able to convert those turnovers of YMCA into their points. Another turnover on the side of YMCA. 23 seconds left. Adona nakalusot. No good. Hidoses on the follow-up. Wala pa rin. And we have a foul. Foul on JC number 50. Alemagno. Second personal foul. And penalty on the side of YMCA. First shot is good. First shot for Llanes is good. Second shot wala. Last 10 seconds for first half. 5 seconds. Alemagno nakalusot but wasn't able to convert that into a point, and that's the end of the second quarter.
Dilig basketball illegal legal 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 Velvet dilig basketball illegal legal 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 Velvet dilig basketball illegal legal 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 Velvet dilig basketball illegal legal 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, tinako, tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka po. Mga moves na pang-hoops ng lupet, mutas-mut, pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig basketball illegal legal 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag ginagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Babaan lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, bola,
And we are back to the ball game. Third quarter matchup sa pagitan ng YMCA and SCBA. YMCA still enjoying and securing that big 26-point lead against SCBA. Milo with a steal. Herona. Backward violation on the side of SCBA. We have a steal. And there's a foul on jersey number 3, Gapasan. That's his first personal and first team foul. Of a traveling violation on the side of YMCA. I was actually talking to Sid Lacan, and Sid Lacan is one of the players that was really developed during the league nung nakaraang Velvet Interbarangay. And we have a 3 by Herona. As I was saying, Sid Lacan was one of the players that really shined during the Interbarangay. Milo, no good. During the Interbarangay 17 under. Kaya naman napasama siya sa Intertown lineup ng Team San Pablo. Galivo's second personal foul and a second team foul on the side of YMCA. Steal by Dantik. Dantik fakes. Take the shot, no good. Fired on the rebound. But there's another steal by Dantik and he delivers a 2-point. Another steal. And a foul by jersey number 3, Adona. First personal and first team foul for Adona and SCBA. Gordo with a 2 points. Another steal by YMCA. Gapasan finds Gordo outside. Gordo fires. Pass na pala yun to Dantik. Another steal by YMCA. Dantik with back-to-back-to-back basket by jersey number 12. Rob Kenshin Dantik. Almost a steal again by YMCA. Malaluan. Steal again by Mr. Dantik. Out of bounds. Bola mapupunta muli sa SCBA. And SCBA will be forced to use their first timeout for the third quarter.
maliliga, liga, liga, liga. Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing. Na di ka pwede, dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro, dapat halimaw. Sintakas ng bola pa.
Back to the ball game after that timeout. Enters a foul on jersey number 12, Dantique. First personal foul and 13 foul para sa kupunan ng YMCA. Nakalusot si Aguilar but wasn't able to get that basket. Five seconds to shoot. Yagas. Llanes delivers that 2 points. Really using his height advantage. But Dantique answering with a basket with a foul. Foul on jersey number 26, Aguilar. That's his second personal foul and second team foul para sa SCBA. Tapika ng bola, mapupunta sa YMCA pa din. Llanes on that rebound. Aguilar on the move. Hitos is on the leather. Gives the ball to jersey number 23. That's too strong. Basket counts with a foul for Aguilar. A foul on jersey number 21. Picasso. First personal foul and warning for penalty. Beritan. Hitoses dire-derecho. Wasn't able to deliver that shot. Two points by jersey number 92. Siskaren steal. Beritan on another basket. Another steal from YMCA. Matatawagan ng double dribble dito si Picasso. YMCA was able to extend their lead to 33. 54-21 mula doon sa back-to-back steals. Another steal and a point by Beritan. There's another steal by Beritan but wasn't able to convert that steal into a point. Jersey number 23 binigay kay Marco pero may miscommunication doon. Nakakuha na naman ng YMCA. Jersey number 92. Foul on jersey number 22, Beritan. First personal foul and a penalty. Two shots for Aguilar. He misses the first one. Second shot, wala pa rin. Another steal, jersey number 2. And Coach Datu will be forced to call a timeout. 62-21, a big 41-point lead ang tinatamasa ngayon ng kupunan ng YMCA with 2 minutes and 39 seconds remaining time.
Sumabay, tumakdak, tumalon, tinako, tumitres, lumilero, tapos mga moves na pang-moves na lupet, pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida.
Velvet dilig.
Jesus Julianes, we have a foul. Foul on jersey number 31 from the side of YMCA. Reyes, second personal foul and a penalty. Two shots para dito kay jersey number 11, Llanes. First thrown, masyadong malakas. Second shot, no good. Rebound, mapupunta sa YMCA, but there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 22, Malaluan. That is Delfino, rather. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Coach. Malaluan at saka Delfino. Malaluan po, 22 din. Labas naman. Nasa labas. Hindi na pwede pagsabay. Okay po. Hetosis almost lost that ball. Finds Delfino. Napalakas masyadong bato. Adona. 10 seconds. Hetosis to Adona. What a pass. 2 points. No good. Offensive rebound. Rather, the rebound goes to SCBA. Adona nakalusot na naman. And he is fouled. Foul on jersey number 19. That's Kagekla, second personal foul and a penalty on the side of YMCA. First shot is good for Adona. Two for two. Out of bounds. Bola mapupunta sa kupunan ng SCBA. Delfino finds Llanes with a long two. No good. Hetosis on the follow-up. Wala pa rin. Makukuha dito ni jersey number 29, Sampiano. That's too strong. Napalakas masyado ang pasa sa kupunan ng YMCA. 34 seconds left for our third quarter. Coach Datu deploying blend back. Foul on JC number 30, Desamero. And that's a penalty on the side of YMCA. Two shots para dito kay GC number 5 Belen. It's 10 seconds to shoot para sa YMCA. 8 seconds to shoot. Five to shoot, but we have a steal from by Hitoses. 5 seconds. Another steal. And that's it for the third quarter. YMCA is still enjoying a big 37-point lead, 62-25 against SCBA.
Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing. Na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag ginagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Baba ang lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola.
And we are back to the ball game for quarter matchup sa pagitan ng YMCA at ng SCBA for 14 under division for our Velvet South Basketball Intercamp Basketball League. Right after this matchup, another 14 under division matchup sa pagitan ng LYBX LHD and ng Blue Steel San Pablo City. Gapasan delivers that layup, 2 points to start our fourth and final quarter. And we have a foul for jersey number 41. Third personal foul and first team foul para sa kupunan ng YMCA. 8 seconds to shoot. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation on the side of SCBA. Another turnover for SCBA. That was really the problem. Simula pa first quarter, those turnovers really cost SCBA some points, leading to YMCA extending their lead up to 41 at most no free quarter. Now at a 39-point lead. At Donna with shot clock at 10 seconds. Marco Tuhitoses wasn't able to deliver. Bola manatili sa kupunan ng SCBA. Ito pala. Tutuyuan na ako nilalaman. Eight seconds to shoot for Adona. Hitoses to Aguilar. Aguilar misses. Thank you. Another turnover on the side of SCBA. Mga kaliga, this is just our third game for the day. We still have 6 matchup that we should watch, especially ang ating last game of the day. Our main event will be AG Apparel Wild Boys against LBDL Galleons for our 18 under division. Adona with the 2 points. We're expecting actually to see yung mga papausbong na players for different divisions during this Intercamp Basketball League for Laguna. Actually, marami pa tayong dapat abangan from Velvet South Basketball. We also have Velvet Cup Laguna, Batangas and Laguna Intertown. Batangas will start. Batangas Intertown will start on Saturday on the 13th. Kaya abangan natin to mga ka-Velvet. Here comes jersey number 41. 2 points. And SCBA will be forced to use their final timeout for the fourth quarter with 6 minutes and 9 seconds, 72-27. YMCA enjoying a big 45-point lead against SCBA.
Sumabay, sumakdak, tumalon, sinakot, tumitres, tumilay, nang hindi ka po, mga moves na pang-hook ng lupet, mutos-mut, pasok sa kanyaw kung kanina na ikaw ang bigla.
Velvet hilig, basketball, illegal.
Llanes gives the ball to Belen. Belen na agawan itong ni Gapasan with a lay, 2 points. Almost a steal. Substitution on the side of YMCA. miscommunication on the side of SCBA. Here comes Gordo. 2 points. A steal by YMCA. There's a foul on GC number 5. Belen. 5 fouls for GC number 5, Belen. And the first team foul on the side of SCBA. Return to GC number 2. Matatawagan traveling violation dito. Si Estiva. Yanis to Hernandez rather. And we have a steal by Sampiano to Berhitan. 2 points. Fajardo to Hernandez. Hernandez is fouled. Hello. We have a steal. Beritan to Estiva. Big 51-point lead by YMCA and another steal. Sampiano delivering another 2 points.
Ilang point? Si Rob Dancing.
Here comes Fajardo. No good. Hernandez on the follow-up. Wala pa rin. Jersey number 24, 2 points. Estiva. No good. Two points by jersey number 50. Another turnover from the side of SCBA. And the YMCA enjoying that big 57-point lead with 1 minute and 11 seconds remaining for fourth and final quarter. Nakikita na natin dito ang next game natin, LYBX LHD versus Blue Steel San Pablo City. We have a foul. Foul on jersey number 30 and we're on the penalty on the side of YMCA. Second shot is good. A turnover on the side of YMCA with 44 seconds remaining time para sa ating fourth and final quarter. And we're also seeing nandito na rin ang sasabak sa ating girls basketball matchup. Lady Galleons at ang Blue Steel San Pablo City Girls basketball team. Jersey number 67. No good. Bola ng SCBA with 16 seconds left. Five seconds left. And that's it for our third matchup for today. Winner of the game is YMCA. Brotherhood Barbershop is GC number 12, Rob Kenshin Dantik. And stay tuned dahil next game natin, LYBX LHD laban sa Blue Steel San Pablo City.
Pasa mo sa libre, tira 3, foul, basket, bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda